I'm about to say something that might piss off some people in the medical world. Most people using the peptides right now are using them completely wrong. And that's why they are not seeing any real muscle gain, no real strength increase, no body recomposition, just empty promises, expensive bottles, and zero progress. But here's the little controversial part. The science behind the peptide is not the problem. Your protocol is the problem. Your stack, your timing, your hormones, your recovery, your sleep, your insulin levels, your training plan, your dosing schedule. And yes, I'm going to say this on camera. MK677 and IGF-1 LR3 might be the single most misunderstood tools in all of fitness. And today, we are going deep. Like the video that explains everything people should have been taught about peptides but weren't. If you watch till the end, I'm going to give you the ultimate all-in-one super stack to help you improve body composition, muscle mass, strength, recovery, brain performance, fat loss, sleep optimization, skin and anti-aging. It's like upgrading your whole system to human version 2.0. Let's start with something emotional. Most people aren't trying to get jacked. They are trying to feel like themselves again. They want more energy, focus, strength, confidence, clothes fitting better, looking good naked, better gym performance, recovering faster, feeling alive, and feeling capable. Peptides exploded because they promised all of this, but they are not magic. They are signals, not steroids, not shortcut. Signals, remember. Think of peptide as a biological text messages, telling your body what to do. Grow more muscle fiber, release more growth hormone, recover faster, repair tissue, increase IGF-1 output, mobilize fat. But the body only listens if the environment is right. Meaning, if your hormone sucks, the peptides won't work. If your sleep sucks, peptides won't work. If insulin is high, IGF-1 barely works. If you're chronically inflamed, nothing works. So this whole video is not about shortcuts. It's about stacking signals the right way to build a better body. MK677 is not a steroid. MK677 is not a G. MK677 is a growth hormone secretagogue, meaning it tells your pituitary, hey, release more growth hormone. What people love about MK677 is it boosts growth hormone and IGF-1, helps with deep sleep, increases appetite, which is very good if you're trying to bulk. It improves strength and muscle fullness. It improves skin and joints feel better. And what people hates about MK677 is its water retention, appetite spike if you're trying to lose weight, insulin resistance if used wrong, fat gain if eating trash and eating too many calories. But the truth, most of this side effect happens because people take the MK677 wrong. So let's talk about MK677 rules for results. Take it at night to avoid appetite spike. Use low dose 10 to 12 milligram. Pair with strength training, very important. Keep insulin low by fasting and eating low sugar diet. Cycle it 8 to 12 weeks on and at least 4 to 6 weeks off. If insulin is high, IGF-1 doesn't do its job. So MK677 works best for people who lift weights, want more muscle fullness, recover slowly, want growth hormone but not injections, need sleep improvement, want long-term anti-aging. So IGF-1 is what actually grows muscle. HGH just signals it. Let's get controversial. HGH does not build muscle, IGF-1 does. So growth hormone is the text message. IGF-1 is the action. IGF-1 LR3 does three things insanely well: muscle cell growth, fat burning, and recovery. It literally increases satellite cell activation, the raw material for new muscle fibers. Here is how people use IGF-1 wrong. Too high dose, on-off days, without carbs post-workout, with inflammation, without testosterone optimization. Here is the right way to use IGF-1. Microdosing, 10 to 12 mcg, directly post-workout. Add carbs and protein within 20 to 30 minutes. Pair with testosterone or keep the optimal level of testosterone. IGF-1 is a performance hormone. It needs fuel to grow muscle. IGF-1 works best for hard gainers, anyone struggling with recovery, people 35 plus losing muscle, lifters hitting plateau, Now let's talk about Ipamorelin and Sermorelin. I have talked about these peptides more in detail in my other videos. These are your gentle, consistent growth hormone releaser. Ipamorelin, great for recovery, restores youthful growth hormone pulses, very low side effects, helps sleep, great for fat loss phase, clean and targeted. Whereas Sermorelin increases natural growth hormone output, long-term anti-aging, better skin, joints and energy, can be stacked long-term, help restores pituitary health. These two peptides are perfect for 35 plus age, people scared of MK677 appetite spike, people wanting mild body comp improvement, people wanting longevity and performance. Discuss different types of stack for different goals. Here is the muscle growth stack for lean bulk, MK677 at night, IGF-1 LR post-workout. Ipamorelin is optional but you can add. Creatine 3 to 5 gram, testosterone optimization, carbs post-workout, especially after lifting, vitamin D3 K2, 5,000 to 10,000 IU daily depending on your labs, magnesium glycinate 500 mg, omega-3 3000 mg. The results of this stack: improved muscle growth, strength, recovery and sleep. So here is the fat loss and lean muscle stack. Ipamorelin morning and evening, Sermorelin at night, microdosing of GLP-1 medication to improve insulin sensitivity, testosterone optimization for lean muscle, NAC for detox, electrolyte, HIIT workout twice a week plus weight training 4 to 5 times a week. Strength and performance stack, IGF-1 LR, MK677 in very low dose, creatine 3 to 5 gram, Tonkatali and Fedosia, BCAs during workout, L-carnitine injection and testosterone optimization. Hormones plus peptide, hybrid stack for people over 35, testosterone optimization, Sermorelin at night, Ipamorelin during day, low dose MK677, cycle on and off, NAD plus for brain health, and glutathione for antioxidant and detoxing. Let's talk about the all-in-one super stack. This stack helps build muscle, burn fat, recover faster, improve sleep, improve skin, improve brain, improve performance. It brings your hormones to 25-year-old levels. Morning, take IGF-1 LR, NAD+, electrolytes, omega-3 and vitamin D3. Pre-workout, BCAs and L-carnitine. Post-workout, protein plus 20 to 30 grams of carbs, clean carbs. Evening, Sermorelin, Ipamorelin, MK677 low dose 3 to 4 times a week. And then weekly, testosterone optimization, glutathione and B vitamins. Now here are some red flags and what you should never do. Combining high dose of MK677 plus high calories if you are already overweight. Use IGF-1 with poor insulin sensitivity. Expect results without weight training and improved diet and lifestyle. Ignoring sleep, most important thing. Skip electrolytes and vitamins, especially if you're on GLP-1. And assume peptides is equal to steroid. If you want more videos breaking down real science into real protocol, no fluff, no hype, no BS. Hit follow, subscribe, and turn the bell on because I do deep dive like this every week on peptides, hormones, fat loss, muscle building, longevity, and functional medicine for your overall health. Your transformation is a science. Let's master it together.